native language first, everybody. And then if you want to do it again in English, okay.
Start! And, sikat iparabot ti Apo ang nakabalig. In English, you are a gift from our miraculous God.
In the current connection kati Adwa Talugadi, you are so talented.
A. Anos ken ayat mo kada kami dito'y Shatin. Your love and patience for the Shatin Fellowship.
And, di ba nagserve, may tuloy mo kuma. In English,
Your service.
continue to serve you guys.
Ibati ng kamarong at iahayat ka, kinanama ka, tiki ka kayo ko, tiki na maugyan niya. In English, you're leaving us behind, though we love you. Hoping we see each other till the end.
And, Nemisyo, mano atawen nga guru ureken ka. Nemisyo is the husband of Ate Shai. So, Nemisyo is how many years that he is waited for
In English, it remains in our heart and brain.
G. Go, Manang Sianing, si Diyos tarabayan na ka. In English, go, Sister Shine, God will guide you always.
M for the middle of Ate Shanin Makalanda. Malagit mo pa'y kami, dagiti ado ang naglabat. Pilipinas ang laktae nga nagyanam ti adowang oras. Inkanal kita itukaw kani waragawa. Pilipinas at kuya kyan ka ang In English, do you still remember the time past in your life? Oh, Philippines, Philippines, I'm coming home. I miss you so much, my dear family. I'm coming home.
And, maragsakan man lirik na tainggan sampetan. In English, happy my feeling. Because you're going back home for the sake of your family.
A. Ay ayatem nga asawa, anak kenapukom, anak ipasngay. In English, loving husband, children, and grandchildren is born.
For Ma'am Shanin. Aladim kadipahidap sa ayat mga kastamunan. Your affection love is always remembered.
And, lakay ko. Kunamon tayat kon. My hubby, say that you love me. Oh my darling.
Kunana magtan, naragsak pag nakidenang.
In